Dr. C.V. Raman University offers high-quality education to students, particularly those from difficult geographical areas of central India. While the state's rich cultural and ecological heritage serves as a larger campus, the university offers cutting-edge infrastructure for research and education in the areas of engineering, commerce and management, science and pharmacy, arts and IT, education and law, and physical education. The flourishing 70-acre campus boasts of more than 120 state-of-the-art laboratories, smart classrooms, research centers, and a plethora of on-campus facilities that provide easy access to tools, making the whole learning experience safe, comfortable, and enriching. The diverse campus welcomes students from across the country, cultivating inclusivity and preparing them to thrive in a global society.
Dr. C.V. Raman University will have a transformative impact on society through continual innovation in research, education, creativity and entrepreneurship.
यहाँ डॉक्टर सीवी रमन यूनिवर्सिटी में हम और टीचर्स एक टीम की तरह हैं जो कि साथ चलते हैं हमारे गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए। टीचर्स ज़्यादातर फोकस करते हैं क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग पर, न सिर्फ सॉल्यूशन पर उस तक पहुंचने के तरीके को भी समझाते हैं, चाहे रिसर्च हो, प्रोजेक्ट हो, स्पोर्ट्स हो या प्रैक्टिकल हो। कि गाइडेंस और मेंटरशिप की वजह से ही हम अपना बेस्ट दे पाते हैं।
Our unique pedagogy combines classroom teaching with experimental learning for the holistic development of a student, with advanced research center, labs, workshop, and computer facility. We encourage practical learning and enhance problem-solving ability and make them ready to work.
As someone who wants to be an entrepreneur, I was able to apply my indigenous knowledge of organic farming into commercially successful food product of Raman Greens. It is an in-house industrial initiative of the university.
Dr. C.V. Raman University constantly upgrades its teaching methods, including utilizing smart classrooms for virtual education. The university's own radio channel, Radio Raman, adds a unique teaching medium that opens a new learning dimension. Recognized with higher accreditations, more than 2,000 research papers, 100 plus patents, and strategic alliances with 500 plus leading MNCs for placements, the university significant emphasis is given to arts and culture that boosts self-confidence and shapes students into well-rounded personalities, opening unique opportunities.
We have a rich arts and culture environment. Being a management student, I am able to pursue Kathak as well, which will open unique career opportunities for me.
The sports infrastructure serves as an effective teaching tool, instilling teamwork in students who represent at state and national level tournaments.
Dr. C.V. Raman University has transformed my life in many ways. The diverse subject exposure, the practical learning experiences, and the holistic teaching approach molded me into a well-rounded professional so that I can be prepared for the real-world challenges.
I would like to say that C.V. Raman University is one of the best and largest universities in that region. It is a university with a vision of creating students who are the complete students, in the sense that they are locally aligned, they have a global vision, they have the technological skills, and they have the cultural base also, plus sports and physical abilities are also there. So starting from grassroots skills, starting from grassroots education, it takes them to a capable individual participating in changing their society, participating in the changing of their country as a whole, and a global vision.
Dr. C.V. Raman University, a place that is more than a university, transforming lives from the depths of adversity to the pinnacles of success, where education was once but a distant dream. It extends beyond its campus walls, ensuring no one is left behind, opening a world of endless possibilities for those who are willing to dream. Dr. C.V. Raman University. Be the change.